Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and get your EIN number in Maine, and this whole process is only going to be about 5 minutes long. So click the link in the description below. I'm going to show you on my screen at the same time you do it on yours. That way you can just follow right along, and I'm going to tell you and show you exactly what you need to click for every single option. So it's going to be super fast and easy. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube for how to do LLCs that have all these chapters, and they're really long and complicated. And trust me, this is not one of those videos. I'm going to make this as easy and as inexpensive as possible. So again, click the link in the description below, and let's just get right into it. So it's going to take you to the Taylor Brands website, and we're going to start by clicking Maine. Now you're going to type in the name of your business to make sure that it is available for an LLC. And for me, I do eyelash extensions on the go. So I'm just going to type my business name in. And now, what stage are you currently in with your business? Just select whatever applies for you. And now you're going to type the industry you fall into. So you may fall into a few different ones. And if you can't find the industry you fall into, just look for something similar. You can see they have so many options, so you can more than likely find a category that works for you. And are you offering a physical good or a service, or maybe both? And it's just asking if you're going to hire employees. You can change your mind about it later on, and it's not going to affect your filing. All right, this is just for your own personal goals. If you have a goal in mind, if you're not sure, as you can see, I'm not sure either. I'm going to click that. And where are you operating your business from? So you can use the zip code of your storefront in Maine. And if you don't have that, you can use your home address zip code. All right. And are you serving your customers online, at a shop or store, or on the go? So again, select all that apply here. And today we're going to click LLC and also EIN. So the reason I want you to get your EIN number is it's basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes, and you're also going to need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account, which I highly recommend you do, just to keep your business separate from other expenses or your own personal life. It kind of keeps you a little more protected, and it also helps you really see where all of your money is going. So definitely recommend to do that, and I like to do it on Taylor Brands website because you can see it's kind of like a one-stop shop for everything business related. So let's say maybe I wanted a logo created, or I don't know, I needed help with my taxes or a license created. They have all of that right there, and I'm not super like tech savvy with the internet. I don't really enjoy researching all of this stuff, so I love that it's all right here in front of me. So click whatever else you want to check out, or maybe check it out later. But again, we're just going to click LLC and EIN for now. This is a survey. We could skip it. And you found Taylor Brands through YouTube. Okay, and you guys, this is just a free 12-week business coaching program that they're offering. You can log in and out of it, see what applies for you, see what doesn't. But it's free, and I like to take it because, you know, if I can learn something, if I can learn something that helps me make more money, that's amazing, right? So take it if you want, skip it if you don't. And now you're just going to enter your personal information here. And you can create a password. Okay, and again, they're asking, do you want Taylor Brands to help you get your EIN number? Now, if you choose the second option to handle it yourself, you can. You would do it through the IRS website, but keep in mind the IRS website only allows you to file Monday through Friday. They don't allow you to do it on the weekends for whatever reason. And in my opinion, I feel like government websites are very outdated, difficult to navigate, and just all around stressful. For me, having Taylor Brands do it for me for $99, it's completely worth the money. Pretty much me just clicking this here is all I have to do. So I would rather save the headache and the drama and just have them do it for me. And as far as assigning a registered agent, now don't let this term throw you off. A registered agent is essentially a fancy term for who is going to receive the mail for your business. So if you live in Maine and your business is in Maine, you will be your own registered agent. Now, this might not apply for you if you live in some other state. Maybe you live in California and you're opening your LLC in Maine. Then you would need to appoint someone that lives in the state. And if you don't know anyone in the state, then you can have Taylor Brands help you figure it out. If you're still a little unsure about it, you can always talk to your accountant. But like I said, 99% of you guys watching this that live in the state and you're opening your business in Maine, you will be your own registered agent. So select this second option here. And it's just saying, are you sure? Yes, we're sure. Now, every single year, no matter what state you live in, you have to renew your LLC. So if you forget to do it, they'll give you a couple warnings and then they'll hit you with a bunch of late fees and fines, which of course we don't want to deal with that. So if you're busy with your business, totally understandable, especially in your first year, Taylor Brands can renew it for you. It's $199 a year. It automatically renews. It is a little pricey, but to be honest, it's still cheaper than the late fees that you would be hit with. So keep that in mind. But if you think you can handle the compliance on your own and you want to save some money, click the second option here. Okay, and would you like a branding toolkit? It's up to you. I'm going to click no. And for just $49, we can get our LLC created in just 2 days from now. So I'm going to click that. But if you don't want to spend that $49, it will come to you in 2 weeks. And you don't need an operating agreement. So click no, I'll figure it out myself. Okay, and you can purchase this if you'd like. It's a formation kit. It's basically a binder with all of your important documents that you might need. I'm going to click no. And if you want to get notified about your LLC, let's do that. Okay, now they have a couple different plans you can choose from. Depending on what you want to do with your business, check out what they have to offer. They do offer some good stuff in here. But for the purpose of this video, we're trying to save as much money as possible, so we don't need to buy anything extra. Let's do this light plan here. Okay, and here is what we're paying for today. So the state filing fee in Maine for an LLC, it's $260. We're getting that free business coaching program, and then we're paying $49 for that 2-day expedited filing fee for your grand total of $309 today. Now, in about a week after your LLC is created, then you'll be charged that $99 for the EIN. So don't be surprised when you see that second charge come through. It is correct. It's just for the second part of this filing here. Now you're going to enter your credit card information. After you enter your credit card information, it's going to ask you what address you want to use. So like I mentioned, if you have a storefront or shop, use that address. If you don't, and you're working from home, or whatever the case, you don't have a storefront address like myself, you can use your home address. I've never had issues with getting like junk mail or spam mail. It's literally just for them to have something on file to contact you in case they need something in regards to your LLC. But if you're not comfortable using your home address, just do a quick Google search on how to find a virtual address to use, and that works just as fine. But again, home address there's been no issues for me. But yeah, that's it, you guys. You have just filed your LLC and EIN number. I hope this was super easy and fast for you to follow along with. But if you do have questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'm more than happy to answer. And I wish you guys the best of luck in your business, and I'll see you in the next one.